The user guide presents various ways of accessing the required information. With visual search, press on Visual Search. Press on one of the thumbnails at the bottom of the screen. Press on one of the bullets in the enlarged view. With Research by Indicator, press on Indicator. A patchwork of indicators is displayed. The indicators are organized by color. Press on the required indicator and the corresponding content will be displayed. With Research by System, press on System. The list of audio and telematic systems is displayed. Press on the relevant section and the list of subjects will be displayed. With Research by Table of Contents, press on Table of Contents. The list of sections is displayed. Press on the relevant section and the list of subjects will be displayed.